Hi guys, so I want to do this video about making sure you taking care of your personal business. So we're already going through all this extra stuff. Guys, you have people calling you that is trying to scam. Okay? I just had a person to call me saying that I put in an order for an iPhone 11. It was in my Amazon account, or Amazon was trying to charge me for it, or whatever the case is, for $1,100 and something. I'm like, what? No, I ain't trying to put nothing. So, however, once I said no, that wasn't me. So I asked them, okay, because the guy, first of all, it's a foreign accent. The guy is trying to of course, they go through their verification thing, right? And I'm sitting here like, I'm not going to tell this fool nothing, So I began to question him and asked him, well, what's the last few numbers of the card that is trying to be charged, right? So the number he gave me, like I'm dumb, was the last 4 digits of my phone number. So I'm sitting here saying, well, sir, I don't have a card ending with that number anyway attached to my account. And I'm looking at my account right now, and it's nothing pending for approval or whatever. So he goes to proceed to say, are you saying you want to cancel? I'm saying, I didn't order anything to cancel. I don't have anything, of the sort, right? However, you're still trying to go back and forth with me about something I'm already telling you I didn't order. Well, let me tell y'all this. It's nothing you could charge to my card and get if the money's not there. Number one. Number two, as much as I do order things, I have certain cards I use when I'm going to order something. So you cannot think you're going to use my bank card or whatever. And no, every card that I use is not going to let you overcharge anything. So anyway, I proceeded to ask him who he was, what was the address on file that he had. Then he comes saying, well, ma'am, I can't give you that information because, what is that? Because we have to protect our customer. Well, am I your customer? You saying I have a charge pending? What address? However, you could tell when it's a scam. Anyway, after I drilled him enough, he hung up on me. Dude, I don't know you, you don't know me, but what I do know is that you're not who you say you are. So, however, that was that. Look, whether someone is trying to order it, they're going to be using somebody else's card because they ain't using my card. Then one of my cards is going to even let it fly. So he come to tell me, well, they're going to deliver it and then you're going to be charged. Well, it is what it is. Because if whoever allowed that to get to my house, then that's a shame on them. Because it's not mine. But yeah. So be careful, during this time, because you have people scamming and stuff. I've never recall ever trying to be scammed, especially in that particular way. Dude, you could try somebody else. I don't give out that kind of information. Man, it's just blowing me away because I can't believe that this person tried to call me with this here. Never had that kind of scam call. But anyway, I don't know if I pissed him off and he couldn't get the information he wanted, then he gonna say, ma'am, let me talk. Hell no, you can't talk. When you talking, you ain't giving me the information I need. You're telling me that you have a transaction that's pending that you put on hold for an iPhone 11 for $1,100 or whatever some dollars, and I'm telling you it's not mine, but yet you want to get information from me, but then you turn around and tell me you can't give me certain information because it's customer's private. Well, what the hell? You saying I'm your customer? That's what you swearing at. And then after I'm like, no, I don't even have a card with that number. So if you're legit, why are you getting so uptight? But anyway, I just had to share that. So guys, just be careful out there. And make sure you're not giving your information out to anyone. It's pitiful. It's nothing that someone can get from me but my life. It's just amazing that this person really got pissed off because I didn't give them my information. Dude, I'm not gonna give you my information. You call me. You saying you put in a transaction from my account. What is my account? My account don't have nothing on it. Not me. I'm telling you, it's not me. What? You can't even give me the last numbers of the card that's on file that's being used. You can't give it to me because you don't have it because it's not me. So be careful, So while he's calling me on my phone, I'm already on my laptop. Like, no, dude, you tripping. I already know this not legit. But I think he realized that after a minute. Nope, he got mad because I was over talking him. He gonna tell me, ma'am, you have to No, I don't have to listen to you. If you let me talk, I'm not finna let you talk because I've already told you it's not mine. So we have nothing else to talk about, So I guess he was like, oh, well, this a fool here. Well, I am what I am, but what you not finna do? This fool is not finna allow you to pimp her or whatever else words you want to use. No, that ain't happening. So I knew I hadn't purchased no iPhone 11. What I'm going to do with the iPhone 11? I only want the iPhone 6 I got. So anyway, guys, like I said, just be careful. People have malicious intent. They don't care. It's a lot already going on here, with all this extra stuff. So the last thing anybody needs is someone to rip them off, take money from them that they don't have, that someone think they have and really don't have. It's just crazy. So just be careful out there and, hey, that's my 2 cents for today. I just can't believe someone would really try to or thought that they had a fool to give them their information like that. Man. And then you use Amazon out of everybody. I'm like, no, bro. You got the wrong person. You might have dialed one of those digits wrong because it's not me. And you going to give me the last 4 digits of my phone number as if it was my last 4 digits of my card number. Boy, bye. Go on about your business. You guys have a good day. Please like and subscribe. And I made this a quick one just so you guys can get out of here and check your information, guys. Y'all check. Be careful. Just know what you're ordering because this is at a time where we spending money. Know what you're ordering, who you're ordering from. When you're ordering something online, make sure you're using prepaid cards, some that they can't take extra out of, because you got, for whatever reason, you got people that just really want to scam. It's just in them. And this person was a foreigner, and I know, not saying I have anything against foreigners. It's just, we know that they do, the country do a lot of outsourcing when they get down to telemarketing. And I don't care where you from. I'm the wrong one to sit here and try to scam. That ain't happening. It's just not gonna happen. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed your day. And if this ever happened to you, leave me some comments. Tell me what your experience was. Let me know, because right now, I really want to hear it. I haven't even got home and sat down good and you calling my phone. I was actually on another call. You done interrupted my call. But if you ever had an experience with something like that, leave it in the comments. Let me know. Was it recently? Was it from the same company that I just had that experience with, the big A that we all use? What did they, if so, what was your experience like? Okay, guys, I'm done. Have a good day.